There, my name is Susie Bridges and I am a very experienced TEFL teacher and CELTA trainer and former academic manager for the British Council. So I've got a lot of experience in a lot of different contexts with learners who make mistakes. So this webinar is all about correcting learners' written errors. And you need to come to this workshop if you're teaching, basically, so that you can learn about why we have to fix the learners' written mistakes, why it's important to get students to do some writing, why it's important to teach them about how we're correcting their errors, and also to learn as a teacher about some really simple shortcuts and tips that you can use to help your learners develop and self-correct and also peer correct. We want them to be autonomous and independent without us, so they can correct their own mistakes if they're writing an email at work or if they're composing a text message to their boss. So learning about writing is a really important part of a teacher's responsibility to support their students' full learning journey.